the Recoup HeatDeck wastewater heat recovery shower tray, Retrofit replacement, and Mira Advance electric shower upgrade. The Recoup HeatDeck is a wastewater heat recovery system integrated into a shower tray. It can be easily retrofitted into a bathroom to replace an existing shower tray. This can be completed whilst replacing a standard Mira Advance electric shower with the new Mira Advance Heatloop. This will provide a stabilised year-round flow rate and energy savings when combined with Recoup WWHRS. The shower enclosure would be removed. The compatibility of the enclosure with the Recoup HeatDeck would need to be checked, but it could be refitted. The standard Mira Advance electric shower would be disconnected and removed. The same position and connections can be used for the Mira Advance Heatloop replacement. The existing shower tray would then be removed. This may impact the tile or wall finish above the tray, depending on how the original tray has been installed. The shower waste pipe is moved to connect to the location of the HeatDeck wastewater trap. Access then needs to be created to the cold water pipe that was connected to the Mira Advance electric shower. The cold pipe is separated and additional pipework installed to connect to the mains cold water connection at the front of the HeatDeck tray. Pipework from the preheated water connection then runs back from the other side of the exchanger to the separated cold water pipe and to the connection for the Mira Advance Heatloop electric shower. The Recoup HeatDeck shower tray is installed into location with the mains cold and preheated water connections made to the integrated heat exchanger. The wastewater trap is connected to the existing wastewater pipework. The Recoup HeatDeck tray is then tested and sealed into location and any wall finish rectifications made. A Mira Advance Heatloop electric shower replaces the standard Mira Advance. For user safety, a Mira Heatloop electric shower must be used with Recoup wastewater heat recovery systems. Any other electric shower type would need to be upgraded. The shower enclosure can then be fitted into place and the HeatDeck, plinth and hair catcher put into position, completing the installation. Every shower will now save around 30 to 40% of the energy per shower use, whilst also providing a consistent showering experience throughout the year.